Hello everybody and welcome back. And I figured out what the problem was. It was rather a simple problem. All we had to do is actually install the PyInput library in our Wine Python folder. Now we forgot to do that, so our program didn't work on our target PC, since our compiler didn't know what PyInput library was and it couldn't execute any of those keylogger commands. That's why the program always crashed. Now in order to make our program usable, you need to type here wine root wine drive C python 27 and then python.exe and then -m pip install pyinput. Now I already did this. This will actually install the pyinput library for our Wine Python, and now you will be able to compile the program and use this function in our keylogger. So let us double check all of our settings. So let me first remove everything, remove dist, remove reverse shell, remove test spec, remove test.py. And right now if I nano our reverse shell, right here we have everything the same as before. Basically the OS right here is removing the keylogger. Right here we have the keylogger start and keylogger dump, which is at keylogger start will start our keylogger. Keylogger dump will print out or basically send the contents of our keylogger.txt file, which is the keystrokes on our target machine. Then in our server we will receive this and we will print out in the screen. So let us see how that will work. If I just find the previous command for the compiling, here it is. So we want to compile it wine root drive C python 27 scripts pyinstaller.exe reverse shell one file now console. So we copy this and we import our USB drive right here. We wait for this to compile, then we will transfer our reverse shell with keylogger, and then we will try to run it and see if our keylogger actually sends back the keystrokes on target PC. So we move the reverse shell.py. Whoops, not the reverse shell, we need to go to this directory. Then we move the reverse shell right here to the media root and then Kali live. So move it there. Once it copies the file, you can delete these directories right here, which are unnecessary, so they don't make a problem. And all we have to do is run our server, which will listen for incoming connections. Now we unplug our USB drive and then we can run our program. So we run the reverse shell, we double click it, we wait for 20 seconds for it to connect back to us, and while we do that we can see, we can see in our command prompt cmd, if we go to the app data folder and then to roaming folder and just type here dir, there, we can see right here we have the backdoor.exe, which is a copy of our backdoor for our persistence. We do not have the keylogger.exe, .txt right here, since we didn't run the keylogger yet. So since our shell has opened right here, let us see if we can execute regular commands. So who am I works, help command to print our available options. Now here we will have to add also the keylog start and keylog dump, just once we actually see keylogger works. And if I just type here keylog underscore start, we can see nothing really gets back. We see if we can still execute commands, we can. But right here, if I just type here dir, we can see right now we have the keylogger.txt file. And if I just type here hello world, what is going on, question mark, we can see in a few seconds, if I just type here basically in my reverse shell, if I just, in my server, if I just type here keylog underscore dump, we can see we'd actually get back what the user has typed. So who am I, dir, hello world, what, and then backspace is going on. So this is the what, and then I typed here s, and then I noticed that I made a mistake, so I deleted the s with backspace, and then I typed what is going on. So we can see our keylogger works. Basically it gets back to us everything that the user is typed. If the user types here blue, yellow, green, red, purple, white. We can see in a few seconds if I just go right here and type here keylog_dump, keylog_dump, we will get printed everything before as well as the new words, which is green, red, purple, white, and also blue and yellow. Just here I type here yellow, but doesn't really matter. So we can see our keylogger works successfully. So right now let us actually we can see also that the keylogger is in this directory right here, which will not be found by the users, also as well as the backdoor.exe for our persistence. So right now let us see what actually happens, or not what actually happens right now. Let us close this and let us actually nano our reverse shell.py and add our keylog start and keylog dump options in our keylogger. So let's add it right here. Keylog start keylogger on target PC, and then keylog_dump print out keystrokes captured by keylogger. So we save this, and right now we should be good to go. We have a fully functioning reverse shell that can take screenshots, that can download, upload files, that can use a keylogger, that can download files from the internet as well, has a help option, basically can change its directory, so we have a bunch of other things, can check for the administrator privileges, starts keylogger, prints the outputs of keylogger. So this is basically all we currently need. So this is basically our final reverse shell. Now in the next video we will actually try to test it out as a real attack, so we will try to actually run it. We will also add picture and the image file and everything, the icon, so we will see how a simple attack with this works. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I see you in the next video where we will run the real attack with our reverse shell in order to check out all of its available options once again in a one final attack. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!